Hi there. It's been a long and busy morning here at Brackenridge Hospital in the labor and delivery ward. A major server crash has wiped out the entire baby log, and we have 8 newborn babies. Unfortunately, in an effort to go green, the hospital has eliminated all paper records, and we're relying solely on our computer records to determine which baby is what. The parents are desperate to be reunited with their new little bundles of joy. As our youngest and brightest, we are counting on you to help us sort this mess out. It is essential that this does not leak to the media, as we have 2 designer babies that were just born in our ward. As you know, this highly controversial issue regards selecting desired physical traits in a baby. Hang on one second. This is Dr. Howell. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, well, do what you can to sort it out and control them. All right, I'll call you soon. Bye. Well, it's leaked to the media, so we need you to work even faster than we thought we would before. Think of a plan and get back to me as soon as possible. 30 minutes? Okay, sounds good. We're counting on you.
Hi, my husband and I, we both have deaf siblings, so we decided to visit a genetics counselor to discuss the chances of producing a deaf child. We learned that deafness was a recessive trait, and after further genetics research, we learned that we were both carriers of this recessive trait. To prevent our child from going through the hardships of not being able to hear, we decided to work with a genetics counselor to produce a child that would have the allele combination possible for them to hear. While we were there, we also decided to eliminate some of the mystery of our unborn child's characteristics. We decided that we definitely wanted a baby girl that could hear. The genetics counselor showed us that we could select for a girl by using a Punnett square. It's actually pretty easy. I can show you how they do it. They started off by drawing a square with some lines to section it off into 4 parts. Then they told me that my chromosomes were XX, which is what makes me a female. My husband's chromosomes are XY. They told me that for every child I have, I would pass on an X chromosome. My husband can either pass on an X chromosome or a Y chromosome. Depending on which chromosome the child gets, that depends on the sex of the baby. So here, he would pass on an X chromosome, a Y, and a Y. So these 2 are XY, and they are boys. So we did not want this combination. These 2 scenarios create females, and so we want to choose an embryo that has these kinds of combinations. We also decided that we wanted to look into some other traits besides just being a girl. We were given options of picking from hair color to eye color to different characteristics in, dimples, no dimples, stuff like that. But we really just decided to go with a few simple ones, one of them being blonde hair. We learned that blonde hair was a recessive trait, and it would be recessive to my dark dominant hair. Therefore, we betted our chances of having a blonde baby girl. By going with this way, we know we'll absolutely receive one. So we really didn't go with too much picking, so I really don't think it will affect her well-being at all because it's just a few simple physical characteristics. However, one thing that definitely will affect her well-being is if I don't get my right child back. So please, please, please reunite me with my correct, beautiful, blonde little baby girl. Thank you.